Salam, I hope you all are well today and this Health and Wellbeing Week, taking some time off your busy schedule to reflect on your mental and physical well-being. I take crochet and crafts as a means to release my stress, and today I'm going to show you how to make two of my most favorite items. You can see them on the screen, pom-pom and flowers made with yarns. Let's start with pom-poms then. For this project you will need scissors and some yarns. At first, take the yarn string like this and wrap it around first three fingers of your hand, which will be the index, middle and ring fingers. Continue wrapping the yarn around your fingers for 100 times. I'll go a little fast here so that I don't take much of your time. After wrapping the yarn around your fingers for 100 times, leave a long loose end and cut the yarn with your scissors. Then take the yarn bundle out of your fingers and tie it in the middle with the help of the yarn strand. Once securely tied, take your scissors and cut both corners of the yarn bundle. Now carry on cutting your pom-pom with your scissors until it achieves a nice round shape. That's it, your perfectly round fluffy pom-pom is ready. Now we are going to make these beautiful flowers. For this project, we'll need some yarns, scissors, a measuring tape, sellotape, a cardboard cutout, a big eye needle, and some pulse. At first, we'll cut the cardboard cutout into a 5 by 5 inch square shape. Then we are going to tie the yarn strand with the cardboard cutout and start wrapping it around the cardboard cutout for 25 times. After that, we'll turn our work to the other side and repeat the same process for 25 times. Once done, we'll cut the yarn with the scissors but leave a long tail. Now put the yarn through the needle. I put sellotape on the corner of the yarn so that the yarn strand glides in easily through the eye of the needle. Now seal the middle of the wrapped yarn with the use of yarn strands and needle. Repeat for a couple of times. Turn the work around and do the same with the other side of the project. Now I'm going to add some pearl and fix it with the project by sewing. You can skip this process, or you can use any kind of accessories like rhinestones, etc. instead of pearls. You can also just glue them on the flower instead of sewing them. Now cut the size of cardboard where there's no yarn and take the flower out of the cardboard cutout. Spread it evenly all around to give it a nice flowery shape. Hope you all enjoyed making the pom-pom and flowers with me. Take care and bye for now.